One of the things that we tried to come up with when we decided to call ourselves LUF Dental was the acronym LUF, standing for Look, Understand, and Fix. And I feel like that encapsulates everything that I've tried to do my entire career. And it makes it a lot easier for you, the patient, to understand what our process is. When we sit down with you that very first time, of course, we're going to look at you. We're going to look at your teeth, but we're going to look at everything that we have about you. X-rays. We're going to look at your insurance plan. We're going to look at different ways that we can utilize those things to help you out. And then through that process, it leads us into the next step, which is understand. We want to understand what your needs are, what your wants are, and how we can help you based on what you bring to the table and what we bring to the table. And then finally, once we get all that information, then we can move forward into the fix stage. What does the fix stage mean? Well, it may be that we help you with your periodontal disease. It may be that we fix a broken tooth. We help you get rid of some pain. We get rid of some wisdom teeth that are causing you discomfort. So fix is a broad term, but it's what we've chosen to use to kind of talk about how we can put all these things together to make you love your smile and laugh confidently. I think what we did with LUF Dental is actually label and identify verbally things that I've been doing for 40 years. And so now I have a great team here at this particular location, and we are thrilled to be able to use those three things, look, understand, and fix, to talk more clearly about what our process is. We are very transparent. We want you to feel comfortable with whatever you're getting so that whenever you leave, you are happy and comfortable. But the most important thing I want you to know is that we stand behind our work. And so if there's an issue that comes up, you don't have to be anxious about calling us and telling us that. We're here to make it right. I just want you, when you do get treatment, to know that we stand behind what we do. But more importantly, we want you to be comfortable, have your mouth be functional, and we'll be there to support you in this journey of trying to get a healthy mouth.